Hello and welcome to the class, everyone. So today we will see some important signal which we have to use and what is the impact of those signal on some process. So important signals, which is a SIG term, means it is used to terminate the process. In the same time, there is a SIG kill. This is the signal which is used to kill the process. What is the difference between SIG term and SIG kill? SIGTERM is basically used for gracefully termination of your process. But what about SIGKILL? SIGKILL is used to forcefully killing your process. When we are working with the SIGTERM, it is the default signal which is used. So, what is the signal number? For SIGTERM, signal number will be 15. And for SIGKILL, signal number will be 9. And one important thing is that SIGTERM is the default signal. There is a signal sender which name is kill. So when we are using kill command to send some signal and we forget to mention any signal name or number, and after it we are just mention PID. PID means process ID. So by default, SIGTERM is considered in the place. So how to give the signal? Kill, which is the signal sender as a command, then hyphen signal name. Either you can write signal name or you can give signal number, then process ID. Second, you can type like that, kill hyphen signal number, then process ID. So this will be the way in order to give signal to control your process for termination of process and for killing of process. Now, just consider that I'm running slip command and I'm running it in a background process. If you want to check it, you can check with the help of jobs. So you can check that there is a slip is running there. What is the process ID? 53608. If you want to terminate it, then kill, then signal name or signal number. Just consider hyphen 15 as a signal number. Then process ID 53608. So you can check that this process is got terminated. Right now, if you check with the help of jobs command, you will not find it. So here we are just terminating the process. Okay. Now slip 200 ampersand so that it will run in the background. Now we can check the process ID is 53631. Okay. Then jobs. Now you got it that it is still running in your system. If you wish that you want to terminate it, but without giving any signal number, so you can provide signal name also. Kill hyphen sig term. Then the process ID, which is 53631. So 53631. So now it is terminated. Means either you are using the signal number or you are using the signal name. Both are having the same impact. And it is known as the termination. If I'm not mentioning any name or number, then what will happen? So we are just starting a process slip 210 ampersand. Process is started. You can verify with the help of jobs command also. Now, kill, you are not giving right now any process name or process number, but after it, you are giving this process ID. Okay, 53646. Then 53646. Now check jobs. So job is got terminated without mentioning any signal name or signal number. You are still able to terminate it because by default, if you not mention it, they will consider the signal number 15 or they will consider the signal name. And what is the name is SIGTERM. Now we are going to look for SIGKILL for killing. So we are just starting slip 300 process is started. If you want to verify, you can run the jobs after it. If you want to kill, then use kill hyphen number. What is the number? 9. Then process ID. What is the process ID? If you look this, it is 53675. 3675. Now check. Now you can get that the process which you have started, it is killed. Now it is not present. Okay. Same way, I'm starting the another process, slip 350. You can verify with the help of jobs. Now what you want to kill it. So kill, but in this time, I'm not giving the signal number. I'm just representing with signal name. So sig kill space then process ID. What is the process ID here? 53684. 53684. Now verify jobs. So right now the jobs have killed. If you want to remove all the process related to any specific user, so first you want to check the process related to specific user, just like PS, AUX, then grep, Sachin. You can use pgrep hyphen L U Sachin. So basically there is no process related to Sachin user. So what we can do, we are just going to log in with the help of Sachin user account. Right now you are inside the machine and you just started slip 100 in a background. You can verify with the help of jobs. Now if you just come here and run the process again, you will get that there are some process working under the Sachin. Right now, if you think that you want to remove all the process which is work or started under the Sachin, then you can remove it. For this, you have to use the command pkill hyphen u and the name of user Sachin. Now, all the process is removed. If you think that there are still process, you can verify with the help of command pgref hyphen lu Sachin. Now you will get there is no process. When you come in this terminal, you will get that this terminal is closed. Right now, the user is log out. So this is all for today. Thank you very much. We will meet again in next video.